Hey guys, Namaskar. Welcome back to the channel An Indian in Europe. In previous video, I talked about how to find universities through DAD's website. So when you start the process of finding universities, you might have a question on what basis should I select a university. So in today's video, I am going to tell you factors which you need to consider while selecting a university. Answer this question. What do you want to do after your masters? At least have a vague idea about it. So if you are an individual who wants to continue as a PhD candidate right after your masters, then surely consider of applying to technical universities. Or if you are one who wants to dive into industry, then go with University of Applied Sciences. I have already mentioned the difference between these two universities in my previous video. I'll put the link in the description below. Don't have a misconception that if you do your masters from University of Applied Sciences, then you cannot apply for a PhD position. It's just that these institutes do not offer any PhD programs. So you anyways have to apply to technical universities. Also, it is okay to be open for both the choices. In Germany, all the public universities are considered to be best and equally reputed. Here, more focus is given on grades rather than the university. If you still want to consider university ranking, then look into CHE website. You can also consider if the university comes under University of Excellence. So this is considered as Germany's Ivy League public institutes, or whether it comes under TU9. So this is a consortium of 9 leading Germany's Institute of Technology. Do remember that TU9 is only for technical universities. These institutes get an additional funding apart from the normal funding. This is one of the important factors. Make sure to consider universities whose curriculum aligns with your interest. Check if you are interested in the subjects offered by the university, whether they have an integrated internship. In requirement section, you need to check if they need IELTS or TOEFL score, whether they need a GRE score or any additional exam. Many universities also have minimum grade criteria with all these exams, so you have to check these well in advance. This is also one of the important things you need to do. Ask seniors or students who are currently enrolled to the program about the university, the course, or any doubts if you have. They would be a true source in getting information which may not be mentioned in the website. Also, you can ask them questions which may not be directly related to the program. You can easily find them on LinkedIn or Facebook groups. City can also play an important role while selecting a university. Check if the city in which the university is located have any industries or research lab related to your course. This might help you in getting an internship or a student job and can add up to your CV. Also remember that do not choose a university just because it is located in a big city. Always consider the program. According to me, these were some important factors which you need to consider while selecting a university. In my next video, I'll talk about blocked account and education loan. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have found this video helpful, then like the video, and if you have any doubts, comment below, or you can also write me a mail. I'll put my email ID in the description below. Till then, bye.